Hi guys, this is Adnaan Ahmed. You're watching Technoxity. So guys, in today's video, we are going to unbox the Realme 5i. So guys, let's see the box, and it says the #1 quality brand, a smartphone brand in India, and the phone box says Realme 5i. And let's see the highlighting specs of the mobile phone. It comes with a 5000 mAh huge battery and has an ultra wide quad camera setup on the rear side and 8 megapixel front camera. And also talking about the processor, it has Snapdragon 665 AIE. That's the same processor that comes with the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and the display is a drop-notch display with 6.5 inches screen size. So guys, let's open up the box and let's start with the unboxing. So first of all, let me just peel out the plastic sticker over it, and let me just directly cut out the seal. It will just cut out the plastic wrap as well with the seal. So let me just try it again. Yeah, it's done. And first we just remove this plastic wrap from the box, and this is the wrap, and that comes out smoothly. And we have just broken the seal as well, so let me just try opening it. But then yeah, let me just do it once again. Yeah, it's open. So now let's just open the seal. So yeah, it's just coming out slowly, and yeah, we have almost reached. So now let's open it, and yeah, this is the box. So here it says, hi, welcome to Realme family, and Realme branding at the bottom. So let's check out the first things first. There is a little bit of paperwork there, and it's useless as usual. Let's keep it aside and let's talk about the mobile phone. So this is the mobile phone, and we have a blue color. And let me just keep this aside for a moment, and let's talk about what else we get in the box. We get a type C, no, I don't know, yeah, a normal USB cable with the yellow tint over it, and maybe a fast charger, 10-watt charger with the box. I thought there was fast charging available. Okay, that's cool. 10-watt charger. Yeah, it's a 10-watt charger. And let's keep that aside and let's talk about the mobile phone. So let me just keep these aside. Let me just keep this back into the box, and yeah, let's discuss about the mobile phone that we get. So let me just remove this cover. Where does this open from? Yeah, it's over here. Let me just keep this aside, and yeah, let me just peel this. The gum is really strong there. It's kind of sealed at the bottom. So yeah, that's done. Now let's remove the phone. Oh, it's beautiful at the first look. And let me just remove the sticker, and let me just keep this aside. And this is the Realme 5i, guys. It has a rear camera, a quad rear camera with the, let me just tell you the actual specs. Where is the paper? Okay, it's under this side, I guess. Yeah, 12 MP, 12 MP plus 8 MP plus 2 MP plus 2 MP, 2 megapixels rear camera setup. And let's just boot the device, and let's talk about the physical overview when the phone is starting to boot up. So you can see Realme powered by Android, and on the right side, guys, there is a fingerprint this thing, sorry, a power lock unlock button. On the rear side there is a fingerprint mount, and also Realme branding, and yeah, there is a fingerprint magnet on the back, and also quad rear cameras with on the left side you get the SIM injection tool, SIM injection tray, and also the volume rockers. On the bottom side you get a 3.5 mm jack, USB port, and speaker grill. On the top you just have a clean top. So let's talk about the setup. I'll just set up the phone and be back in a moment. The mobile phone is all set here, and let's check the settings, and let's check the about section here. And when you go head over to the about section, you guys can see device name Realme 5i and Android version 9 out of the box, processor Snapdragon 665, 4GB RAM variant with a 64GB storage, and color version 6.0.1, and Android version is 9. and yeah, this is Android version 9. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing, and yeah, if you guys want to buy this, I'll give you a link in the description. You guys can go ahead and check that out. So that's it guys, meet you in the next one. Until then, stay subscribed. Goodbye.